I want our viewers to listen to this from the principal scientific advisor for India's federal government. Have a listen.
A phase 3 is inevitable, given the high levels of circulating virus. But it's not clear on what time scale this phase 3 will occur. Hopefully, incrementally, but we should prepare for new waves.
Minister, in just the last few minutes, he has actually tried to row back those comments, saying it may not happen, a third wave. All the same, you say your state health system, is already overburdened. What would a third wave mean for Goa at this point?
You know what, we are in anticipation, not because the expert scientific person has made a statement now, but definitely one has to be prepared for the third wave. And like I had already predicted in the month of January, I had said, because Goa being a very preferred destination, Becky, we had thousands of people coming in. There were very less number of restrictions in place in that point of time. We had the whole of India coming into the state of Goa in the month of December, January, February, and I had already alerted our health authorities that we need to be prepared because we are going to face a situation at some point of time. And we did not...
Did the opening up... Sorry, did the opening up contribute to the surge in cases that we are now seeing? You're talking about the opening up of tourism. Did that directly contribute to this surge, do you believe?
Absolutely, Becky. Opening up of tourism without any restrictions in December has led to the situation in the state of Goa. And we are really, as you know the figures, Becky. You know all the figures. In the morning, I was, we were just informally talking to somebody from your side. And the figures, the positivity rate of 51% and above is the highest in the country as we speak. And this has to be brought under control. The mortality has to be brought under control. Our front workers and doctors are working overtime, and at the peripheral areas, interior areas of the state of Goa, luckily for us, we're better equipped.